Hydraulic pump mechanical engineering. In mechanical engineering, a hydraulic pump is a device that converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, creating fluid flow and pressure to operate hydraulic systems. It acts as the heart of these systems by using mechanical power from a motor or engine to generate hydrostatic pressure, which in turn is used to perform work, like lifting or moving heavy loads. The two main types are positive displacement pumps, for high-pressure applications, and centrifugal pumps, for higher flow rates. Types of hydraulic pumps. Positive displacement pumps, these trap and move a fixed volume of fluid with each rotation. Gear pumps, use meshing gears to move fluid, e.g. external gear or internal gear pumps. Vane pumps, use vanes inside a rotor to move fluid. Piston pumps, use reciprocating pistons to displace fluid. Centrifugal pumps, use a rotating impeller to move fluid outwards from the center, creating pressure. Typically used in lower pressure applications, but handle higher flow rates than positive displacement pumps. Best suited for low viscosity fluids like water,